Are you all right, Carl? Looks like somebody needs Super Truck. Hurry up! There was a massive storm last night in the city. A lot of trees have collapsed and blocked roads. Meanwhile, Billy and Edna are mixing cement, but they need water. Frank was going to deliver it, but now he can't because of a traffic jam. You need to quickly get that water to the construction site, Super Truck. Hey guys, Super Truck is here! I see the traffic is so bad that there is no way you can deliver water to the construction site on time. What are we going to do, Super Truck? What is it, Bobby? A water container? Great! You can give it to Super Truck and he'll deliver it to the site. But he'll still have to tackle the traffic. That's right, Super Truck. This is the time for a new transformation. A super train! Okay, Super Truck, you're now ready to go. Thanks, Bobby. See you later, Frank. That's not going to work, Super Truck. These trees are too heavy. You're right. We need something to cut through these trees. A laser? Of course! This will cut those trees in no time. Whoa! This laser is so powerful! Like in Star Wars movies. Look out, Super Truck! This large tree is probably going to fall! That was close! You nearly got crushed by this tree! Okay, let's deliver the water to the construction site. Construction team, Super Truck is here with help. Quick, we need to add water! Yes! We did it! Wow, so that's what the cement mix was for? A giant bowling pin? Yes, Super Truck. I'm also wondering what the construction team is going to do with it. Whoa! That was the biggest bowling pin and the biggest bowling ball I've ever seen. See you next time, friends. Wow, that looks great, guys. Is it for Christmas? You're right, something's missing. But what? Of course! The lights are off! Okay, you turn them on, Walter. Ready, guys? On my count. 3, 2, 1. It's not working. I wonder why. You think Santa won't find your tree if you don't have any lights on? That means he can't deliver your Christmas presents. We'd better do something quick. Super truck? That's a great idea. Huh? Hey, Carl. What are you looking for? Santa? He won't be around till tonight. The babies need your help at the town hall. The lights aren't working, and they've worried Santa won't see the tree to put their toys under. Right, a real Christmas emergency. Let's go fix it. Impressive, I know, but the lights aren't working. Can you find out why? Can you see anything wrong? A transformation? Nice, but what? A helicopter? Cool! You'll be able to stop the problem from up high. Awesome! Nothing wrong there. Good idea. Let's follow the lights. Right, they're all tangled up. That could be the problem. Gary, could you untangle the lights? Gary, how did that happen? Thanks, Walter. I'm sure you can help. Nice work, Walter. The lights still aren't working, though. Better keep looking, eh? Gary, are the lights plugged in inside? You think it's the power crystal. Well, there's your problem. Gary, can you plug that in? I forgot how clumsy you are, Gary. You're going to try from the other side? Okay. Oh no! That was the city power! Carl, you'd better do something! The ST-3000? I can't wait to see! A telekinetic ray! Awesome! Looks like it's working! Super Truck, I think you need to adjust your aim. You want a countdown? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Good job, Carl. Right. Everyone did a great job decorating. Santa won't miss this tree for sure. I think I can hear Santa's sleigh now. I hope you've all been good this year. Whoa, guys! What's the big hurry? Ah, you're racing to see who can find the first Easter egg. See anything? How about you, Carl? Well, good luck. Carl, wait! Hold on! Yikes! Sorry to interrupt, but there's an emergency. Oh no! The babies can't find any eggs at all! Walter hid them too well! Can you help them search? You are great at hide and seek. This should be an easy case for you. Don't worry, babies. Super Truck is here. He and Walter will find the eggs in no time. Come on, let's go look. You see any eggs, Walter? What about you, Super Truck? Nothing? Oh, wait. Look, some candy. Aw, are you tired, babies? Well, that's sweet of you, Super Truck, but I think they're getting tired and could use a ride. Oh, wow! You're a super car carrier! That's perfect for giving tired babies a lift! All aboard! Are we ready to keep looking for the missing Easter eggs? Good luck with your search, babies! Find anything yet? Look, everyone! Super Truck found some eggs! And you remembered where the rest of them are? The Carries? Well then, let's go! Oh dear, what's wrong with the babies? Ah, I think you're right. Look, the eggs are melting from the sun. Super Truck, what do we do? Use the ST-3000? Great idea! Stand back and close your eyes, everyone. The freeze ray is bright. Whoa! Nice work, Super Truck. That ought to keep him cool while we drive back to Carrie's. It's safe to open your eyes now, guys. Now, let's go get the rest of the eggs. Hooray! The Easter eggs are here at last! Couldn't have found them without you, Carl. Oh, wow! Another Easter treat! Thanks for the jelly beans, Carrie! Have a happy Easter, everyone! See you next time! Wow, you must be in a hurry, Carl! Oh, you're late to deliver treats for the Cherry Blossom Festival? Wow, what a move! Uh-oh, it sounds like there's an emergency. You'd better go, Carl. See you soon, Carrie. Looks like the festival is already underway. Uh-oh, the high noon sun set the tower on fire. We need to put out the fire, and fast. Yikes! Be careful, Edna. The super truck is here to help. Super truck, use your hose! Wow, way to work together! The fire is almost out! Oh no, it's getting near the trees! Good thinking, split up! There you go! Nice job! Awesome! The fire is out! Great work, Super Truck! Uh-oh! What's that? Oh no! Quick, Super Truck! We have to help Edna! What ST-3000 could help us? Oh, good idea! Hurry! Use your crane, Super Truck! Are you okay, Edna? Excellent! Thank goodness! Look, Carl! Carrie delivered the treats you left at the restaurant! Thanks, Carrie! Thanks for saving the festival, Carl. It sure is beautiful. Enjoy, everybody. See you next time. Hey, kids. Thanks for watching. If you like Super Truck, click here to subscribe. For more adventures, click here. See you on the road.